Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 2021 Toyota RAV4 and I'm going to be showing you how to operate the shift lock release on the automatic gearbox. Now the shift lock is there as a safety feature, stopping the shifter from accidentally being knocked into the drive, neutral or reverse position without a driver being in the driver's seat with the car on and their foot firmly on the brake. So to do this we are going to need a tool. We're just going to need a medium size screwdriver. Make sure it's a clean one with no sharp edges or burrs, or you could put a bit of cloth over it. And we're actually going to look for the cap now. Now it's a little bit more hidden on this model than any other Toyota model I've known, and it doesn't say the word shift lock next to it. But if you look at the shifter, just in front of that to the left hand side there's a little square, and that is actually the cover plate for the shift lock release. So we're going to go ahead, get our flat screwdriver, pop it into the right hand side, and then just take the cap up like that, and then remove that. With that now removed, we can push our screwdriver straight down into the square whilst pulling in the trigger, and you can pull your shifter back to, say, the neutral position if you're going to go ahead and tow the car. Bearing in mind you'll still need to remove your steering lock and also the parking brake. When you get to your desired location, you can just move that straight back into the park position, and that automatically puts the shift lock back on until a time where you push your screwdriver straight down into the hole again, move that back to the neutral position to tow into a new location, and once you get to its final place, put that into the park position and get your black cap. Pop that straight back in so nothing can drop down there. And that's how to operate the shift lock on a 2021 Toyota RAV4. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.